What are you doing?
Because I made a put it and see.
You get na?
Because no meat, no corn.
Hinay-hinay lang. It's hurt. Uy!
Because no meat, no put it. Because hey up, no corn. Tama. Hey up, no touch the door.
Dandahan lang, day. Be careful. My face is hurting na. Hmm. Hmm.
Hey, that's funny.
Yung funny, you put na may face there that and then ikukunin mo naman agad. Hmm. Nahirapan ako sa kalisod sa pang-English na nosebleed ng si Jisa. Siya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's funny. Wait.
Dandahan. Sure. Lambot lang.